In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Steam error 31 quickly and easily. This is a common issue that can stop your games from launching or updating properly, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have it fully fixed. If this helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, we want to completely close Steam. This is important because Steam often keeps running in the background even after you close the window. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time to open Task Manager. Once you're in Task Manager, look for any processes called steam.exe. When you find them, click on each one and select End Task. Make sure all Steam processes are fully closed before moving on. Now go ahead and reopen Steam. Once it's open, look at the top left corner and click on Steam, then go into Settings. From there, click on the Downloads tab. Inside this section, you'll see an option called Clear Download Cache. Go ahead and click that. Steam will prompt you to restart and sign back into your account, which is completely normal. This step helps remove corrupted files that can cause error 31. After logging back in, we're going to verify your game files. Go to your library, then find the game that's giving you the error. Right-click on it, select Properties, then go to Installed Files. Here, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan your game and automatically fix any missing or corrupted files. This step is very effective for resolving errors like this. Next, we want to check your storage settings. Go back into Steam settings, then click on Storage. Make sure your Steam library folder is working properly and that it's installed on a healthy drive. If there are any issues here, it could be the reason you're seeing the error. Finally, restart your computer. This might seem simple, but it's a crucial step that clears temporary system issues and ensures all changes take effect. Once your PC restarts, open Steam again and try launching your game. And that's it. Your Steam error 31 should now be fixed. If it worked for you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.